Okay. Maybe it's not his kind. Maybe he likes.
You're not a Guinness man? Oh, I don't know though. He says it could be kind of good.
I give it a second try.
He's Dutch too, you know.
Yeah.
Only the German
But
boys.
he's underage.
That's right. It's his first beer. He's gonna make it work no matter what.
Oh man.
He doesn't hate it because he keeps coming back. Oh, she licks his nose. He doesn't hate it.
No.
Yeah. Lucky, you want to try it?
Oh, I'm sure Lucky will.
Think Lucky will?
I think
Be
Lucky.
particular too.
I think
Here, Lucky.
Lucky, come here.
Come here. You want to try it?
Oops.
Yeah, see, he's particular.
Oh, Lucky.
No.
Oh.
No, he doesn't know. Mikey, look at Mikey's like over there. Come on. Come on, bring it back.
Bring it back.
Yeah. I know, Bit. Oh, Mikey, you are so precious. You are so funny. Oh, God.
Okay, I know who's emptying the second bottle.
I think you take that to Jan. Does Jan like Guinness? Oh, take
Yeah.
him a bottle of Guinness. Tell him this is from Mike. From Mikey, then show him the pictures.
Oh, Mikey.
Says we'll sit down and have a beer together sometime, Jan.